Hi Gemini, I'm here today to do your monthly reading for February. I can't believe it's just a couple of days away. I hope you get a really nice month. I'm praying for you. Yep. I'm trying to do as many readings as I can for this month. I've been quite busy at work, but I'm trying to just to get it done. And I don't know why today I was like, I will start with Gemini. Hopefully, you get some good predictions for this month. I'll go to the overall energy for you, and then I'll go to the person on your mind or the person you're dealing with, and then I'll just go. I'll take some cards for some outcome. Okay, Gemini. For the overall, the moon, expect the unexpected. The Ace of Cups. Okay. The Two of Wands. You've been waiting for this Ace of Cups, right? It just looked like I didn't try to make like a love reading on Star Straight, was it? Overall, but still it looks like it's about love because you have the Knight of Cups as well. And the Fool. Okay, Gemini. So you have the moon. Expect the unexpected. But I guess expect the Ace of Cups, yeah? Maybe that's what you were expecting. Were you not expecting? You were waiting for it. You were waiting for it. And finally this month is here, Gemini. Yeah, here it comes, Gemini. This month is coming to you. And looks like, well, it looks like it's coming with a small cup, but it's actually a big one. You do have the Fool. So you're just taking a leap of faith with this person. So I guess if they come with a cup, you're gonna take it. Because I feel like you were waiting for that. So it's not something that you just happen. You probably didn't expect this person to come at you. Because it looks like you were waiting. But you wasn't sure if this actually would happen. But, it's here for you. So congratulations, Gemini. I don't know why. I was like, oh, I will start with Gemini. And there we go. I didn't even put the person on your mind and you already come like with a love reading. I guess the overall energy for you this month will be about love. It's looking really good. Okay, the person on your mind. The Five of Wands. The Hangman in reverse. The Death. The Wheel of Fortune. And the Hierophant in reverse. So, to clarify the moon, you had the Five of Wands. Maybe you do have like, it just seems like a bit of a fight with this person. Or maybe not, maybe this person gave you the impression that they didn't like you that much. Because you have the moon with the Five of Wands. Or like fighting around it. Or you had to fight for it. Because for the Ace of Cups, you have the Hangman in reverse. Someone was just contemplating about it, about this Ace of Cups, to keep the Ace of Cups or not, and they decided to spend enough time thinking about it, and they decided to give it to you. For the Two of Wands, so you're waiting for the death. So that gives me the vibe that you were waiting for this person to finish something else, to come to you. Because you do have a bit of a fight and conflict with the moon. So maybe that's why you're not expecting this person to come at you. This person was probably with someone else and thinking about what actually to do, or who they would choose, or something like that, because you were waiting for this person to finish something, probably with someone else. Because for the Knight of Cups, you have the Wheel of Fortune, you know, so things turn around in your favor and this person chooses you. So the Fool and the Hierophant in reverse. Hierophant, I kind of take like the married person for some reason. Like as I said, probably this person was like in a marriage or in a long-term relationship, and they choose to take a leap of faith with you, to jump on this. And I guess maybe it's not an easy choice. Being happy sometimes is not an easy choice, because you know, if this person was actually in a stable relationship or something, it's a lot that they have to go through to choose to be with you. Yeah, Gemini, but you know, I guess with all of this, it's quite easy to see that this person choose to be with you. Okay, let's do like a general kind of reading, like outcome kind of thing. Whatever it comes up. I just feel like a bit of freestyle. Oh no, I'm really sorry. My cat just jumped on my lap. I'm sorry, because everyone thinks like, oh, a tarot reader always have a cat. And it's a bit like, I don't know. I love cats, you know. There's nothing I can do, and it just feels a bit needy. I guess, I think he just wants to be famous. Come on, Gavin. You say hi to everyone then. Okay, you should get like a couple of minutes of fame. I apologize about it. Literally, he's a 20-year-old cat, so I can really tell him what to do or when to jump on my lap or something like that. I think I'm really sorry. Okay, Gemini. I guess he likes your reading. Alright, Gavin. Okay, love. Oh. Okay. Right, for the general outcome. The Emperor. So, you know, at work, you're gonna have a really, really, really good month. Probably like a better position. It looks like it. The Chariot. You moving on. The Hermit. Okay, let's see where it's going. The King of Wands. And the Eight of Wands. Okay, expect at work, expect to be great this month. You feel in power. You probably got the position that you work for, and you know you're getting it this month. I mean, you got the Chariot. You did work for it. You're moving on. You're definitely working on something. You got some drive to do something. You did, because you do have the Hermit. You've been thinking about it quite for a while. Maybe you try to move to another job. That's how it looks like to me as well. You try to move to a different job. Well, if you try to move to a different job, it looks pretty good because you do have the Emperor. So that's great. And then you have the King of Wands and the Eight of Wands. Expect to hear from someone that you don't hear for a while, or you're not expecting to hear from. You're not talking to this person for a while, I get it, because you've got the Hermit. And this person, because you're not talking to them and you keep it quiet, they'll come at you full speed. I'm just gonna get a couple of cards on this one because I need to clarify. I get really nosy sometimes. Oh, the Empress and the Fool. That was someone. The Empress and the Fool. That was someone that came at you before. But that's a completely different energy. It's someone very stable that is good in life now. No, they were already when you met them. But I guess maybe they come at you because you are on the Emperor energy now. This person probably told you that, or show you that you are not good enough. They gave you that impression. But now, because you are on the Emperor position, this person is gonna coming back. They're gonna contact you. Get ready for that. Okay, Gemini. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like it, please press like and subscribe. Have a great month.